welcome to today's vlog. We are heading to a waterfall today. Say hi guys. Hi. Arlo's in the far row today. Matilda, just picking Craig back up. Just been to get, hi guys. Oh, sorry, someone's pulling off the drive. Hold on. Hi guys. Someone's racing off the drive. I am going, I've been got some picnic stuff from Tesco's. Got a flask for Matilda, we've got carriers. I've got the Ergo baby to put Arlo on because it's too far for him to walk, and Craig will carry Penny and Penny, he definitely won't, he'll carry Matilda in the baby Bjorn carrier. My sister and brother-in-law and niece are coming, and my cousin and his little boy, so it's going to be a lovely family walk to the waterfall. I've not been since I was a child, and we've never took the kids, so I'm super excited to go. So yeah, let's take you along with us. Waterfall, nice big parking area. It's only £3 to park, and you get 3 to 5 hours, I think. Don't quote me on that, I can't remember. So yeah, we're off down for a walk. very slippy. Wow. Wow. Is that the den?
Mind it might collapse.
It won't collapse.
It might.
Everyone's ahead of me. Even Arlo's doing really well. I didn't bring the carrier in the end. It's been a gorgeous walk. As you can tell, I am so unfit. But even in the rain, it's been really nice, and we've shook water off the trees, and yeah. We've just been to pick that up because the time lady told me it had been handed in. But you did really well, didn't you, baby boy? Good. Yeah. We're going for a walk to the waterfall. Say hi, guys. Yeah, you're worn out, aren't you, baby boy? If you've joined us today for this vlog and you're local, High Force has been a fab day out. It's only took us an hour to do the walk. And the fresh air, the rain has done us all the world of good. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed today's video.